Want to trade crypto on your PC but can't find Binance on the Microsoft Store? I'll show you the only official way to get Binance on Windows or Mac, plus a hidden trick to avoid fake apps. Go to Google Chrome and search for Binance Download. Click Download, Windows or Mac. Run the installer, ignore browser warnings, it's safe. Launch and trade verify URLs. Only use Binance.com, avoid .net or .org clones. Two-factor authentication setup, enable Google Authenticator before trading, avoid APKs. Third-party files may contain malware. Now you're ready to trade crypto on a big screen. Like this tutorial, subscribe for more crypto guides. I expose one scam per week.